Now, hello, class 8 students. Now, today we are going to uh, learn about the electrolysis of acidified water. Electrolysis of acidified water. Now, you know that the water itself, the pure water is not an electrolyte. It cannot conduct electricity, but when water is acidified or it contaminated with salt or base, that water can split into ions. Now here the acidified water is taken into this container. Two electrodes are inserted. One electrode is connected to the positive terminal, so that electrode is known as anode, and one electrode is connected to the negative terminal, and that electrode is known as cathode. So this is anode and this is cathode. Now what happened when acidified water, acidified is water is there, the acidified water first split into H plus ion and OH minus ion. H plus ion and OH minus ion it split. And what happened at cathode when the electricity passed? When electricity is passed, what happens at the cathode? That two hydrogen at H plus ion accept two electron to form hydrogen molecule, because hydrogen exists as hydrogen molecule, not as hydrogen atom. So at least two hydrogen atom is required, and that accept two electron from the cathode, because you know that the cathode is connected to the negative terminal, and so it accepts two electron from the cathode and form hydrogen gas and liberated from the cathode. And at anode, what happened? This OH minus ion is just moved towards the anode, and there 4 OH minus ion, at least 4 OH minus ion, release 4 electron and form 4 OH radical. Now this 4 OH radical is very unstable, and this 4 OH radical readily dissociate into 2 molecule of water and 1 molecule of oxygen. So this is the chemical change occurred during the electrolysis of acidified water. Now, so what we get at cathode, we get hydrogen gas, and at anode we get oxygen gas. Now, the cathode and anode, the volume ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1. That means if at cathode 20 ml of hydrogen is produced, at anode 10 ml of oxygen will be produced. But the mass ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 1:8. That means if 1 gram hydrogen produced at the cathode, the amount of oxygen produced at the anode will be 8 gram. I think it's clear to you all that what is the electrolysis of acidified water. The acidified water, I am telling again, acidified water split into H plus ion and OH minus ion. H plus ion rush towards the cathode, at least 2 H plus ion first take 2 electron from the cathode and liberated as hydrogen gas. And at anode, OH minus ion rushed at a time 4 OH minus ion release 4 electron and form neutral OH, 4 neutral OH radical, and that is very unstable, and that readily dissociate into water and oxygen. So at least we get what? We get hydrogen at cathode and oxygen at anode. And what I say, the volume ratio is hydrogen is to oxygen is 2:1, and mass ratio is 1:8. Okay, this is the electrolysis of water.